All right, so it is my second full day in Gothenburg. I have a pretty short day because I have a meeting in just a few hours. So I'm just gonna spend some time walking around today and exploring the city. So let's head on out. So I am out here in the mall Nord house, I think. It's Nordstaden. It's really pretty in here. Beautiful. It's so pretty down here. Canals. This is so pretty. I think these murals were done by kids. They're really cute. What is this secret tunnel? I want to go in here. Nobody else cares. I smell the fish market. It's right here. I'm excited. Let's go. Wow. I chose Victor Von G restaurant. I have a nice view of the whole hall here. I got one oyster. They were really expensive, so one it is.
We'll have a truffle emulsion and some fresh truffle and cauliflowers.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
The scallop looks really nice.
We have a Maggi emulsion and some pickled onions.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah, salmon tartare. I love salmon.
We also have oyster mushrooms, 2 types of them. They're pan fried in the bottom, and on the top we have deep fried them. And we serve this with a brown butter with some Maggi soya and hazelnuts.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So I got some herring to take back with me. Got a meeting to go to, so walking through this park. It's called Kungsparken to get back. It's a deer. Pretty. Definitely gonna have to come back here and see the rose garden and stuff, but just passing through for now. This is where the concert was the other day. So I had a really great day exploring the fish market and kind of seeing some of the central area of Gothenburg and the forest park, a little bit of it. Overall, pretty short day. So that's it for me, and on to the next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.